Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be polishing the nails that I have overlaid. These are mine. And if you have not, go check out part 1 so that you can see how I overlaid my nails. I'm going to be using regular nail polish today. I find that using regular nail polish over my natural nail does not last long, but if I use it over gel polish or an overlay, it definitely lasts at least a week and some days. If I were to just use it over my natural nails, it's probably gonna last for like 2 hours and then start chipping. So that's what we're doing today. Like I said, I've already overlaid my nails. So I'm gonna start out with a base coat, and this is just a beauty supply store, like probably 99 cents, $1.99 base coat. It's the Nail Moisturizer Aloe and Panthenol base coat. So although I've overlaid my nails already, I still want to put a base coat just because we're using regular nail polish and not gel. Okay, so for the polish, I'm going to be using 2 colors. The first color is by Broadway, and this is in the color Summer Breeze, so it's a nice little peachy kind of color. The second color I'm using is by Cosmetic Arts, but the color is not on the bottle. All I can tell you is it's like a beige kind of color. The reason I'm using this color is because of the newspaper design. As you know, when you buy newspaper, it comes like not on white paper, so we're going to be as realistic as possible with that look. So I'm going to start off with the peachy color. So I'm going to let my nails dry for about 2 minutes, and then I'll go back in with my second coat.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, before I move to the next step, which is applying the newspaper design, I need to let my nails dry completely, so that's going to take a while. When they dry, I'll be back. Alright, so my nails have dried for the most part. When I touch them, they don't dent. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next step. Okay, I have newspaper. Don't judge me. I know people no longer have newspaper, but I had a subscription with AJC and I never canceled it. And so, like, the newspapers just piled up. So, I might as well make use of them. I'm going to be using the comics simply because I like the font on these versus this kind of font. This looks a little bit more modern. So, I'm going to cut out. I probably could use one for both fingers. So I'm going to cut out one to begin with. Alright, I have my comic. I think I'm going to cut this in half. And that is enough for my finger. Alright, cool. The next thing that's needed is alcohol, and I'm going to just soak this, not soak it, I'm going to pour it in my dapping dish. That's enough for one finger, well, for both fingers. I'm going to soak this finger in the alcohol. Then I'm going to immediately place the paper on the finger and hold it for a few seconds so that it can transfer. All right, it's transferred. It looks a little bit blurry, but that's fine. Okay, so I also want to put rhinestones on this, and I have one set, and then I have another set that I'm going to be using. These two. I got both of these from Amazon. In order to place the rhinestones, I'm going to be using the same gel that I did my gel overlay with. Alright, I'm going to put a bit of the gel, just a little bit, where I want the stones to go. Which is here. And then I'm going to use scissors because I don't have a dotting tool to be able to pick up the rhinestones. Okay, I don't want that design. I want this one in the middle and two gold ones on the side. Alright, so after it's placed, I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp. All right, it's cured. Now I do the same thing with this hand. All right, now that I have the designs done, I can go ahead and put the top coat on. And I'm using LA Girl Diamond top coat, very cheap again. So this is it. This is the finished look. Very, very simple, but it's gonna last. So I'm gonna go let it dry, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.